All right, we gotta tell me what you're running, because I don't remember the name of the frame or nothing. What are you running? Start at the handlebars, work your way down.
Nowhere bars.
Got the Nowhere bars. What grips are they? I like the smiley face.
I think they're Rant.
Are they?
I believe. Odyssey.
It's a Springfield lever, isn't it? No.
No.
No, that's the medium.
It's the medium with the Springfield brakes.
Yeah. With the glow cable.
Glow in the dark slick cable.
What stem is that? No, it's profile.
Push.
It's the push.
Push stem.
Animal headset.
Actually, the headset is an old FBM one, but just with the animal riser.
There you go. What frame is that?
S&M Dagger.
You know what top tube that is?
I believe 20.
20? That's short.
I believe it's 20.
Aren't you 6 feet?
I'm shrinking now.
You're getting hunched. Which forks you got? They're the pitchforks, right?
Wide mouth pitchfork. I don't know the offset. Whatever wide mouth pitchforks are.
I think they come in 2 offsets. Shows how much we know about our bikes.
Whichever one Empire had in stock.
In pink.
In pink.
You got profile front hub. It's a G-Sport rim with which one is that? Is that
Bird
the
cage, I think.
Bird cage.
T1 tires.
Front and rear, 2.4, right?
They're T1 animal tires. Yeah, they're both the big ones.
Yeah, you got cranks. You got the Primo Churchill, right?
Churchill cranks.
What's that sprocket?
That is a Fiend sprocket without the guard. So that normally has a guard on it, but I took the guard off.
Yeah. What chain? Just anything? Just generic half link?
I think I got that from S&M. That's an S&M chain.
What kind of pedals? Theory.
I got those off Amazon.
No bike shops necessary.
No.
All right, you got a. What rear hub is that from Profile?
It was whatever they did the pink series. I don't even know. It's not Elite. It's like the
Mini.
I believe it's the Mini. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think the whole set.
We got 25 9-tooth gearing.
Yes.
Yeah. What pegs you got?
I think those are
The Colt Butter, I believe.
Colt Butter pegs. Yeah.
Yeah, they're Colt Butter front and rear. Plastics.
Yep.
What seat you got? You got a tripod seat, right? No, it's a pip. Yeah, it's a tripod.
So it's the S&M Stealth pivotal seat with a non-stealth seat post.
Okay.
I think. Yeah. So you have to run 2 long extensions to connect it, but you don't see any hardware, and there's no hole in the seat.
Okay.
Which is slick looking.
And they got an FBM seat pull. Primo bottom bracket. It's a nice bike though. What rise are your Nowhere bars?
Those are the 9.5.
Cut them.
I cut them down an inch.
So they're 28. Just got an inch on each side, or?
Inch on each side.
So yeah, they're 28.
28.
Hurts so bad to press stuff now.
This is about him, not you. You wait your damn turn. Yeah, it's a great looking bike though.
Good bike.
Yeah, it's great how close the handlebar pink matches the frame pink. Probably wouldn't have noticed nothing unless I said something just now.
Well, the handlebars and the Odyssey pink is different, a little bit different from the Profile pink, but the Profile pink is closer to the S&M pink.
That's awesome though. Even the brake lever and all, they're so damn close. What pads you got on it? Yeah, you got the ghost pads, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome though.
Once summertime kicks in, I'll switch to clear ones.
So they stick a little better.
Yeah.
It's a good bike.
I I like it.
Thank you, though, sir.
All right.